How to write a lexer/parser for if statements. Since my past question was not answered, I'll ask a shorter version again. I need help writing a parser for if statements in Python. For reference, here's an example of if statements in my language. I already parse conditions like this, and they return true or false. That was for inequality, by the way. I am thinking of changing this up though and making a condition function, then using it in the if parser. The one problem I have is skipping to the end if statement with the iterator value. Can someone instruct me on how to write an if statement parser in Python, minus the conditions?
I figured it out. While it is very primitive and doesn't support nesting, yet, I have a simple solution to my problem. Basically, whenever it detects the if token, it loops through all of the tokens after that until it finds an end if token. While doing that, it increments an iterator called to and at the end, sets the main iterator past the end if, ignoring the code within the if statement. This is only done if the condition parser returns false. Code. For the call, I set the iterator value like this, I equals doif_false tokens I column. Example code. Output.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.